So this is a video to show the process of creating a shared drive and then creating our system's structure within that shared drive. Okay, so this is, we're going to work, I'm going to work on the content creation drive. But just to show you how to create a drive, all you have to do is go to your drive, which ideally you'll have saved up here as a folder, because we'll be using this quite a bit. It's just a useful, simple tool. And we can all use it together. It's part of our company system. So as we create a new drive for a new department, go to Share Drives and click New, and type in the name of your share drive and click Create. I've already done that for several now, but once you do, it'll just appear. Once you click that Create button, it'll just appear right in here in your shared drives. So we are going to go into the content creation drive. Now it's empty right now, and there's only one person added. So I'm going to go ahead and populate it and then share it with the other team members. And they can always edit it as they need as well, depending on what their role is. So let me go to our Miro board and look at the content creation. So it's not in this Miro board. We have another Miro board with our content creation concept. So this is our flowchart here. And I'm going to be creating this, creating our shared drive based on what we have here and based on our processes and our organization and our process procedures and policies. Okay. You can always put this on 2 times as I go through here, 2 times speed. To do the analysis. So we're going to create a new folder. First click New and then click whatever you need to create. And you're going to call it the So I think we'll actually, we'll put everything in a clients folder. That has to do with our clients. Now our systems here, we'll add a new folder and we have our procedures, or we've been calling it systems more, how we do our processes. So now in the systems, we'll add assessing the vertical. And hiring new writers and writing editing process. Now I'll do that real quick here. Alright, so I've created all of the folders that we'll be using here. And let's look back at our Miro board. So now I'll create documents for each of these and populate them with the with the process in a written format. And I'll be, let's go ahead and do that. So let's go to Miro, decide which keywords the client provides value in under assessing the vertical. So we're going to create a new Google Doc and name it that title there. I'm deciding which keywords a value in. Now I will explain in the document how we do that, and I can copy and paste any relevant information that I've already created, and I can use a dictation software. Let's see. I don't think Google Docs has one natively built in, but let us look for a tool. So let's go to add-ons, and we'll click get add-ons. So we're looking for a speech-to-text tool to improve, so I can speak the, I can just dictate and it'll record that in Google Docs. Search apps. Okay, it's being less slow. If you have a super fast typing speed, you may not need this. But I'm not that well trained on typing, so I can simply use a speech to text. Read aloud Google Docs using text to speech. Understand and navigate the web easier. Okay, well, I'm looking for one here in the Google Workspace Marketplace, so I don't see any. So we will go and search for one. And this may be edited out as a separate video. But in that case, I'm going to start looking for a speech to text. And I think Aaron actually recommended one, so let me go find that. Let's see. Let's see, it was in our content creation, an article outlined, and I think it was in this video here. Let us go. And I'll copy and paste that Loom link over here. We're going to go to watch the Loom video. I'm going to go ahead and pause this while I scroll through, because I think this is a 15-minute video. That's only a 4-minute video. I'll pause this though, so you don't have to double watch this. Okay. So yeah, this wasn't the video where he shared that. Let me see if I can find that other video. Paste Google Doc into phrase. That was for another part of the process. Stop questions to jog thinking. Make any fluff from outline. So this is creating an outline. Okay, so yeah, it's a different, let's see. Show archive. Tell me how to's. Nope. That's not it. Let's see if it was in Sandbox. Let's set up keyword article outline, keyword article rough draft. So I'm looking in title sections. Add personal relatability intro. Meat and potatoes, share your story. So it says, life coach is unique, but give the equation, thoughts, feelings. Share your unique perspective as a thought leader. We are going to check that video out. So I'm looking for this resource here through our Asana library that we have. This is a 12-minute video. I will go ahead and skim through this one too. All right, skimming through that video, it is how to do it backwards. I'm going to skim through a little more here and see if I can find the text. So I started using this cool little tool in here to search. So if you want to search words within that the person has said, Loom creates a transcript based on what they've said, and you can open the transcript like I did, and then click on this little search icon to search through. I'm going to search dictate. There's no word for dictate. Let's see. I'm looking for speech to text or record. Where does it say record? Maybe record a video of yourself doing that. So again, this is not the right video. Let me go through and find the other one. Okay, so this is another video that I found. And here, it's actually gonna be quite difficult to find that resource that I know we have somewhere. That's where we recommend having a well thought out structure that's easy to follow in our systems. So I'm going to go ahead and search online here. Dictation software. Voice transcription software. Here we go. Best dictation and speech to text software in 2022. Zapier. So this is going to recommend. This is going to be an article recommending speech to text software for us. The speech to text apps will save you time without sacrificing accuracy. Great. We're going to look for the Windows 10 speech recognition for a free app for Windows users. Because Windows 11 was recently released, it has both new and the 10 features. So let's look through here for the installation process. Open an app and on your keyboard press the Windows logo and H. Okay, so let's follow that step here. So we'll click the Windows logo and H. To use dictation, go to settings and turn on online speech recognition. Okay, we're going to do that. So we are going to, here we go. Natively in Windows, we have that ability. We are going to turn that online speech recognition on. And now, this is kind of becoming a little bit of a longer video, but this is a great process. This is showing you the process of finding a new tool. So we've turned that on. Okay, now we can see these other settings. We're going to not start contributing my voice clips yet. And we are going to give that a try. Again, it's the Windows symbol and H if you are using a Windows. Now let me try dictating. This is a video of a dictation. Period. Great, this is working. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and oops. So yeah, we're looking here and again, just dictating And we'll create a new video for this next process of actually editing a dictation and changing changing that particular text, the document file. But just to show you once more, we have that document. We'll create any additional documents that we need for this system. Thanks for watching.